Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Son and you are seeing coding for beginners. Now, in this video we will see how on the scratch ping pong game is made. So, now in your mind the question is, what is ping pong game? So now I am opening my scratch. You can see here the ping pong game. First, I will explain you on the sprites names. Okay, the sprites are: first, the XY grid; second, the background; third, the ball; fourth, the pattern; and fifth, the line. There are 5 sprites in that game and 1 variable. So now, in your mind, the question is, what do you mean by variable? Okay, the variable means an word or another alphabet or something in which we can name something like a score, counter, game, or any name which we want. Okay, so First, there was the main sprite is ball. The main sprite was ball. The main sprite was ball here. So we will first see the code of ball. Now I am explaining. When green flag clicked, go to XY grid. X is 0, Y is 0. Point in the direction. You can see here. When I click point that code, the ball is moving everywhere. Okay. So I will explain that also. Then forever means forever. It will code moves. Then move 15 steps. The ball is moving 15 steps only. If on edges bounce means on edges it will bounce. You can see when it is touching the edges, it is bouncing. Yes, you can see. Now I close that code and click on this code. You can see ball is moving now. It's moving? No, because it's not a code to move a block. It is main code to set a score and a main code to increase the score. So set score to 0. 1 minute. Oh, it's yes. It's here. When forever, then if there is if condition, if touching the pattern, then change score by 1 means there is score variable, and when ball touches the pattern, change score by 1 means it is increasing score by 1, and turn 180 degrees means when touching the pattern it will move 15 steps at 180 degree means reverse. Play sound basketball. There was a sound like a basketball. You can see here. This is basketball sound and this is pop sound. I am selecting sound from this option. Choose a sound. Now there is one more if condition. If touching the 9, this is 9 red color, then play sound pop until done. Stop on. Touching the 9 means stop on. And now code of pattern. When right arrow clicked, when my keyboard's right arrow clicked, then move 15 steps. The pattern code is move 15 steps. You can see I am pressing right key and it is moving. Yes. And now when left arrow key pressed, move minus 15 steps. Means it will go reverse. Yes. Now yes, it's working. It is going minus 15 steps. Yes. And now the code of 9. There is nothing in the code of 9. And now we will end the video. You can follow me on the Instagram, Facebook, Instagram or others. So we will meet in the other video. So bye guys. Bye.